Be starting from the clean out in front of space 19. Highest point in the property here geographically. We're approximately 10 feet in. We've reached an area that is bellied in the line. Belly is roughly 17 feet long. We're about 46 feet in, and there's a large indentation in the bottom of the pipe where the pipe is being pushed up, likely by a root, causing a crack you can see on the right-hand side. Here's where we're tying into the main trunk line for the rest of the complex. We'll push in here a little ways and then move to a lower clean out. You can see as we come in, there is water holding here. We are underwater. The line is very bellied here. And this is locating the camera head using the GPS. It is down at the lower clean out, so we'll resume the video there. Okay, resuming the video, the clean out for the main trunk line right off. All right, resuming the video at the clean out for the main trunk line right off the edge of the parking lot, which is where the last video stopped. You can see separation at the top of the video here where the pipe is separating, allowing dirt in. And then right into the belly that we saw earlier. Approximately 47 feet, we come out of the belly. Where we come into a T at 58 feet where we pick up the other building, and you can see in that joint on the left side of the screen we've got some root intrusion there. May be hard to tell in the video, but there's an indentation where this pipe is separating here. Water's rippling over the top of it. You can see mud around the edge at this joint as well. And into another belly. And from here we will move to a closer clean out. Okay, we're going to jump around a little bit and hit the clean out leading up to the trunk line. Trunk line's over in front of that SUV where we were just cameraing from. We're just going to hit the section that comes up to the back of it. There's a big cut in the parking lot. It looks as if the line was replaced prior. Feet coming into the belly. Right back out. You can see large amounts of buildup in here. Pipe is building up about halfway, showing average flow height here. Into another belly. And it's just all belly in the trunk line all the way to here, which you can't tell in the camera, but we are under that trunk line clean out now. And we'll go ahead and move on. Okay, we'll be starting from the clean out at the most western building here to get into the top of that trunk line and scope the rest of it. It's coming into the T we saw earlier that has what looked like root intrusion, drops us into the trunk line. Couple places where we briefly peek out of the belly just to see its large grease buildup in the walls. Okay. From here, we're going to move to the lowest clean out in the parking lot and continue the video. This will be broken off into a second video because unfortunately we have the battery dying, so we'll follow up the second video.